Good day, sir. Good day, everyone. My name is Christian Escatayas from BSBE FM3, and today I will be explaining and demonstrating my understanding in ISO and quality management system. Uh, what is ISO and when and where was it founded? So ISO stands for the International Organization for Standardization. It was founded on February 23, 1947 and in Geneva, Switzerland. ISO is an independent non-government international group that creates standards to make sure products and services are safe. ISO has members from over 160 countries, helping business follow one set of global standards. So, what is its purpose in global trade and quality assurance? The main purpose of ISO and global trade is to make international business easier by following the same standards. Mm, companies from different countries and can trade from trust and fairness for quality assurance. So ISO helps organization maintain consistent quality, reduce errors, and make sure their products and service meet customers' expectation and safety requirements. This builds confidence among customers and partners around the world. ISO 9000 and 9001 and 9004 standards. So ISO 9000 is this is the basic guideline that explain the principles and vocabulary of quality management system. It helps organization understand the key concept of quality. ISO 9001, this is the most used standard. It gives the exact requirements an organization must meet to get ISO certification. It focuses on the customer satisfaction, continuous improvement, and meeting regulatory needs. ISO 9004, these standards provide guidance for organizations that want to improve performance and go beyond ISO 9001. It focuses on long-term success and overall effectiveness. So, why is quality management system QMS important? A quality management system is important because it helps organization make work more efficiently, reduce mistake, and satisfy customer. It creates structures for planning, controlling, and improving processes. With a strong QMS